Tenses made easy. English to Urdu.
Future perfect tense.
Affirmative sentences.
सादा जुमले.
He will have written a letter.
वो खत लिख चुका होगा.
I shall have gone to school.
मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँगा.
We shall have played cricket.
हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके होंगे.
Interrogative sentences.
सवालिया जुमले.
Will he have written a letter?
क्या वो खत लिख चुका होगा.
Shall I have gone to school?
क्या मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँगा.
Shall we have played cricket?
क्या हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके होंगे.
Negative sentences.
मनफी जुमले.
He will not have written a letter.
वो खत नहीं लिख चुका होगा.
I shall not have gone to school.
मैं स्कूल नहीं जा चुका हूँगा.
We shall not have played cricket.
हम क्रिकेट नहीं खेल चुके होंगे.